Japanese sounds and phrases 365. A quiet daily journey through Japanese language, sound, and seasons. Let's learn Japanese together, one small phrase at a time.
Today's phrase is I'm fine. In Japanese, people say Genki desu. Genki does not mean fine exactly, but it is very close. It means, I feel good, I am okay, I am doing well. In Japanese, you do not always need to say I. Just saying, Genki desu, is enough. It is a short phrase, but it is warm and positive. If you like, try using it with someone tomorrow. That's all for today.
元気です。元気です。元気です。元気です。元気です。元気です。Thank you for watching. See you. またね。